Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial, especially how to power the permanently iCloud activation lock lens from any Apple device. Right now, this is a 12 Pro Max or 12, I think. This has been linked to an Apple ID and asking here enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. When I connect a 3U tool, guys, see, it's also saying that after accessing a data that your device has been linked to an Apple ID, enter the Apple ID and password that were used to set up this device. In that conditions, or in a case either your device is blacklisted, stolen mode, lost mode. How do you access to a wipe out at your home without doing a jailbreaks, without any hassle, guys? We will see live with practical now here. So it has been locked. First and foremost, guys, you need one iTunes installed in your operating system. Either it is a Windows 10, Windows 11, or of course 10s. Go for Manage Administrations, that is a 3U tool. All the detail you will get here. Just you will have to click on a toolbox after connecting data cable, and thereupon go for crash analysis. And here, some of the file you will have to, especially after accumulating, you will have to delete after going the inside. So let's see, we will have to wait here. As we see right now, it has been linked, so we are unable to. But at the end of this tutorial, of course, I would like to show you that how you easily able to generate a new Apple ID and password on this device with the help of iTunes. Even if, of course, manually by on this, you can also click on a file inside. You will have to delete to all this. If this file is not fetching by a virtue of 3U tool, then you will have to change the internet connections. Just we will cut it, and of course, as we see, it has been. Now it's the time to, we will have to open that is a specially imagined PC, guys. Let's back, we will check it out, and it has been now the finally, of course. Let's see, this is iPhone's 12, so this one, see, multiple device in a day. Actually, I am just unlocking the device, so guys, that's why now it's a 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max maybe. So all the detail is given here on this. You will have to click on a show device console, and of course you will have to delete everything. So just we will go here, will come this to clear all the console. Let's have big one. Of course we will clear, just clear all the console. Fine, almost we have cleared. Go for Manage Administration 3U tool. Come on REC mode. Hit this one. We will clear this ones. And now white screen is coming. So now we can go for save it and click on here to cut it. Yes, now see. Yes, this device has to. It's saying now it's notified that we will go for here. We'll go for cut it. Now this app we have two options. See, cut it from there. Now one is a 3U tool and this one's. Very important things that we need to add here. Click here, come in the smart flash. In a smart flash, go for refresh options, and you will have to elect yes out of anyone's that is especially beta version. Sometimes beta version not working, then that condition of course you can come for. That's normal. So this one I had imported, but I'm trying with the 70.5.1 here. I had already downloaded, so directly we will import it. But if you would like to download, then click on here. We have options multiple that you can download and then go for. Here you will have to select quick flash mode. Don't go for especially anti-recovery flash mode or 18 user data or fixed flash. Just come with this one. come with the quick flash mode because of course, whatever data will not be returned. So that's why actually we will elect this one. Otherwise, if we don't want to come with this ones, then just here we will go for restore options by holding a shift key of your computer. Just this one you will have to hold and click on here left mouse and come in the download options that I had downloaded. So this one I had downloaded, I will select this one, we'll go for the storage. And so as we see now, it has started to extract the data. So it's time to the close now 3U tool also. So as we see now guys, here it has started to extract, and of course I'm trying to, let's see what will happen furthermore. It's now in here extracting, so of course we will have to wait and watch. It's extracting, it will take time. So see, if you would like to have the quick results, then of course this is very important things that come with 3U tool and by a selection of quick flash mode. But if you would like to come with the special items, if the 3U tool is giving any error in the midst of that, of course then come with the extracting this, and we will see here if any things will comes error, then of course we will fix it also. Now it's preparing for your storage. So IPSW, how would you download? By a 3U tool, and of course you can come on this official website of the 3U tool. There is all the firmware. Even if of course from the Apple website there is also IPSW. By free of course you can download, otherwise of course you can come on a website that is ipsw.com. So now see, as we have, it is especially waiting for phone. So now 3 tool has been also notified, so that please connect a device. So I'm not going to do connects now, just iTunes is working, preparing for the restoration. So why should I go for it? Don't disconnect in the midst of that also, otherwise you will have the problem guys. So of course a 3U tool, can I minimize it? Of course we need a 2-3 option that at the end of this. One is a batch activations, and this one is a deactivate options, and second is a reboot option 3. Of course we have to execute at the end of that. So now it's a restoring and half we have done almost. So let's see. IPSW for downloading, you can come on the official website of the 3U tool, click on the firmware, and thereupon of course you will have to select the model number. So this is a 12 Pro, so we will select, and of course here's a 70 point something beta. Directly you can come with this beta version also, and this 70.5, 75 RAC, any one out of them of course you can have. Yes, another website is IPSW, of course, IPSW, and hit this ones, and of course we will come on this website, and of course select the model number here guys. So this is iPhone, we will select, and here just we have to close that, and upon of course select the model number that is of course Pro Max, and almost we have completed quickly. So here in the one clicks you can, here is options to a download. So there are a lot of the website guys, from there you can download, but not required now, just things. Yeah, after downloading from that website, actually directly I imported, and upon as you see, keep holding shift key, and then of course manually you will elect the IPSW and then go for it. So almost 70% we have the completed. You can see it there. Restoring. No any error is coming the midst of that, so definitely of course it's going to be a successful. Almost it has been restored guys. 3U tool will notify after disconnecting, and just type in iTunes. So Almost we have done, guys. Don't worry. With 9 minutes, so now it's verifying. So fine, let it verify, and thereupon of course we will see it. Just I record after I record with live here while unlocking this device. Multiple devices the camera might show to, especially 10 minutes, so I decided to record it also, guys. As we see, this is a 12 Pro, so a similar strategy can be expected to execute on especially iPhone 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 Pro, Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, guys. On each device, similar strategy you need to execute at your home without any hassle. Within 5 to 20 minutes or 10 to 20 minutes, of course, you can unlock it. Now it's verifying, so fine, almost we have the completed, guys. And data cable, as we know that in front of you, has been the connected, and timer is also working, that almost 11 minutes we have the completed. Let's say 2-3 steps that we need to execute. Almost verification step is to complete, so 2 3 2 3 step that we need to execute by using a 3U2. Then of course also we will try to generate new password by virtue of special iTunes. That thing also I will show you at the end of this tutorial. Let's see. Almost verification completed, guys. Almost a little bit, it's taking time, so don't worry. And after that, of course, phone will reboot once again, so don't worry. Now see, it has been disconnected within a 10 second. So now see, 5 second, 4 second, and thereupon of course. So now 2-3 step that we need to execute. So see, guys, it has been finally disconnected. So we will come with the 3U tool, guys, now. And here on 3U tool, of course, we have to check it out that by toolbox batch activations will be highlighted. This one now it has been highlighted. So just we will go for with this one, hit this one. So now here and just it has started, and there is an activation step that is going to be deactivate. Don't do anything here, guys. It's deactivating, so we'll have to wait, guys, here. Almost we have completed here. We will have to wait and watch. See here, any error will come, so then that condition, of course, go for utilization of, there's a virtual private network of shoulder zone of this device. So self area, how do you find out? That tutorial I have already uploaded on this channel, so of course you can find out. Otherwise, next one, a comment, I record a new tutorial, the how you find out self zone of any iPhones. That self zone we need here, virtual private networks. So now see, finally it has been the completed also escape, and directly we have the list on the hello screen. Just we will go for it on here, hit this one OK, and upon deactivation steps here we need to just hit this one and go for it. So we will have to wait also here 10 seconds. So we will go for English to other country, and upon almost 3 3 2 2 2 1 second, and last one it will be highlighted. We have done it successfully, guys. So directly we have the rest on here. Fine, we can close it. No, just wait and watch, guys. We can close it. Yes, we will come here, and it is still on here. And see, iTunes is totally hanged now, guys. iTunes is not opening. So just let's see what will happen here. We'll have to wait and watch. Yes, of course, yeah. It's taking time here, guys. Don't worry, iTunes, I don't know why it has been hanged here. See, iTunes is not fully functional now, and it's taking time. As we see, it has been connected finally, but here is everything's working, but on toolbox, just we can go for once again. Not required, it's not asking. So, can I have this one once again? It will take or not. Let's see. Now it's done once again. So now once again we come here. So once again we come here. Just we will have to select this one's language. We will have to go for this one's. It's taking a little bit time. Can I close this? Let's see. Close. And upon iTunes, I don't know the why it's not working now, guys. Now the closing also. See here. Fully not functional now. So in that condition, what we will do, guys, here. And as we see, network is also not connected. This is just a little bit rounding here. It's also not taking. So can I disconnect and once again we will connect? Let's see. Now see on, guys. So sometimes, and iTunes is also here, as we see. iTunes is also not functioning, but after connecting and disconnecting, it has been the rest here. So here, just we will go in the setting 2, we will see here there is nothing. So now there is nothing here, as we see. So can I generate here? Now we will connect to Wi-Fi, guys, here. Let's see, we will connect here Wi-Fi. See, I will have to here connect to Wi-Fi. Let's see, now it has been finally connected. So can I back, and once again we will come on here. Just we will click here. We don't have any ID. Click here, so it will be highlighted 2-3 times. You will have to. And upon of course here iTunes is not working, totally hanged. So verification is asking fail. Fine, maybe a glitch and something. So let's firstly check it out the SIM card. SIM card is having here. Maybe it's calling, not an error is coming. So I think SIM card will functional, guys. If I back here and upon of course we will go in the inside, sign in manually, we don't have ID. So if I go for sign in the manually, in manually this is coming here, forget and don't have ID, create here is coming, guys. But internet connection is now given here. See, date of birth along with name, first name, second name, so date of birth we will have to elect, and then we will go for create a new Apple ID and password on this device. Easy way, guys. So this is iTunes method. By virtue of by clearing of the console, you can have now see it's live, guys, and finally it has been unlocked. Nothing much more, just we had now this iTunes is a totally completed hanged, guys, so we are not in positions to any things before restarting, or I mean this device. So computer we will have to restart, because see if I close also, however it will not works. But finally this is done. Yes, the finally unlocks here. Just we can go for continue. See, everything is working. So this is all about in this video tutorial. For the main inquiry, of course, have the query below the comment box. Pleasure would be mine to the reply of the query, guys. If you found this is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget like and subscribe and share of this content, because maybe beneficial for someone who is hiring his lives to have this kind of information by free of course from these channels. And this will thanks that's really of course inspire me to make such as informative video for further on these channels. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.